Good morning, this is Manesh Patel for Ichimoku Trade. Today we're going to discuss the E-mini S&P 500 Futures. Reason why is we're kind of going into a big ugly consolidation pattern. We have been for a little while, and a lot of people are confused whether we're going bullish or bearish. So I want to quickly talk about the E-mini S&P 500 Futures, where the market's going for the U.S. stock side. And then stay tuned, and I'll give you a link for a free workshop that we've got that's going to be happening today with Ninja Trader, and I'll give you the link so you can register for free and attend it and get the recordings and stuff. So here's the E-mini S&P 500 Futures. As you guys know from previous videos, we look at the VIX and the E-mini to kind of judge to see exactly what's going on with the market. And you could see here we have the IMTF indicator here that does the multiple time frame analysis for you, because we look at everything from 1 minute up to 1 month, and we find where everyone's thinking the same way, the day traders swing and long term. So here's the market here. You can see that we had a green shaded area here, which was indicating a bullish setup. The problem with this is that the breakout levels right here, these blue dots, but you have a multiple time frame resistance with these crosses there. So that told us that there was a high probability that this bullish setup here was going to fail. Okay, we discussed that in the workshop. And you could see here that the green shaded area stopped exactly when you had this bar right here that occurred, and that showed you exactly that green shaded area never triggered at all. The breakout dots never triggered at all, so the bullish setup got canceled. The interesting thing is afterwards you notice there's a multiple time frame resistance there. Another multiple time frame resistance developed here, right on this bar right there. That was a clear sign that basically we're about to probably go down right there. Reason why is the multiple time frame resistances went down, which is a good indication that we're about to go down. And then you have price that closed below this level here too. Okay. So, and you could see exactly after that bar, we did sit there and go down here. And you could see we're kind of holding here. Where are we holding? There's these multiple time frame support levels here, back from April 12, 13, and so forth. And that's the level that we're holding right now. And so if you sit there and you draw some horizontal lines, you kind of at this level right there is basically the support that we got. And if you look at the resistance, the resistance now is going to be this level here since we moved down. And you could see the nice little range that we're starting to form here. Now, since we held these resistances are going down, remember, these are not single time frame resistances either. They're multiple time frame resistances, which no one really could see except us, because we're doing all the crunching for you. You're going down, so there's a high probability that we're going to break this level here. So we're waiting for a confirmation in this course, because timing is critical. So we could sit there and consolidate around this low range here for a while, but the probabilities are still high for us to break that here. The only thing that can override this is basically the daily, weekly, monthly time frame, which is the higher time frames, which are still very bullish. Okay, but this is a level there, and you could see there's another level here, which is a multiple time frame level here. So in order for this thing to sit there and go down and retest this low and possibly start a trend, you have to break this level here. So this is the range that we're looking at for the E-mini. Until we get out of this range, we're really going to sit there and just kind of sit back and wait and see exactly what's going on. The market had a chance to completely start a bullish trend right here. You can see you had a bullish setup here, triggered here, the bullish breakout triggered here, went all the way up. Multiple time frame supports were going up, held here, and then just kind of consolidated here. And when it happens is when it consolidates, multiple time frame supports disappeared, and at that point this market went down. And when these levels started going down, that told you that we're pretty much entering a consolidation pattern for at least a week to 2 weeks, because we're on a 240 minute. Okay, let me give you the link for the webinar today. Hold on. Okay, so if you just go to the website, if you've never been to any of our social media, just click on Twitter here. This will take you to our Twitter feed. Let me enlarge this, and you could see here, this is the last article we posted. In there, we kind of posted the link right here. It's a nasty little link because it's shrunk up, but if you go here and you click on it here, and basically this will take you to the registration for the IMTF indicator, the multiple time frame analysis today. You can see it's basically at 4:15 today. and you could register for free. And we'll go for everything in here with the IMTF indicator. We'll also show you how to use the system by itself with the multiple time frame analysis, or how you could use it on top of an existing system from Fibonacci, Elliott wave, harmonic patterns, and so forth, and Bollinger Bands and moving averages, and how you could use it to optimize. So hopefully I'll see you guys there. Have a good day.